Dear nature, from the moment I rolled down the lush green hills, inhaling your fresh scent, basking in the June sun, in the endless fields of Nebraska, I knew one thing was real. I fell in love with you. A love so deep, I gave you my all. From my time and dedication, learning every knot and technique to build a home from your very being. As a 9-year-old boy, learning the sting of the bee and the vertigo of taking in the view from the top of my first hike. I never saw the end of my adventures. I only saw more of them. Endless possibilities. And so I ventured through the tropical oceans of Cuba to the ice caves of Norway. From Paris, France to Reykjavik, Iceland. You asked for my time. I gave you my love because it came with so much more. I hiked through the night for you, not because the challenge called me, but because you called me. You gave me a big challenge, but a bigger reward. To watch your beautiful sunrise on Preekstolen Cliff, overlooking the fjords of Norway. I ventured to 18 countries around the world to experience you, to be with you. You gave a boy a lifetime of adventure, and I will always love you for it. I will never stop loving you. My entire lifetime is what I have to give to you. When I can no longer run through the woods, I will walk. When I can no longer walk along the beach, I will sit. And that's okay. I want you to know I will never let you go, so we can both savor every moment we spend together, knowing there is no rush unless you're looking for one. Through the wasp stings and the sunsets, we will give each other all that we have. And we both know, no matter where I go next, I will always be that kid with rolled up jeans, running through the soft green sea, grass between my toes, wind in my hair, not a care in the world. Love you always. Finn.